dazed, confused, trapped in a moment without time, where sounds collide and colors explode. You see wide-eyed audience up ahead. You have met your butterfly zone. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, butterflies. What am I talking about? Anxiety, that flighty feeling in your stomach and wherever that says, why am I here? That scary feeling that some of us talked about earlier with Eugene. But what you want to do is you want to get those butterflies, don't you? Not only to be suppressed, but maybe use that anxiety to get them to find information. And by that I mean use that nervous energy and channel it into your speech so that you can take your butterfly zone and move it into a little bit more confidence in yourself and what you have to say. Tonight I'm going to offer you 10 tips. 10 tips for public speaking. Who let the kids in here? I said to myself a couple Saturdays ago. I happened to be down ushering. I'm a redcoat. With Marilyn, we ushered down to Playhouse Square, and we were in a theater in the round called the Occult Theater. And I was looking down, and it just set up, and we did not have the theater yet. The actors were still down on stage rehearsing. And the lead actress, that's how she relaxed. She relaxed her vocal cords, and then she relaxed her body. Relaxation is the first recommendation. Now, maybe you wouldn't want to do something as drastic as she did, but you can relax your vocal cords. You can relax your body, roll your shoulders, turn left and right. Because remember, you are not just giving a mental gymnastics here when you present to people. You're actually physical, and this anxiety can affect your physical body. And by loosening up, you can lessen some of that anxiety. And one thing, if you want to loosen up the muscles of your throat, stand in front of the mirror. One, you'll loosen up your vocal cords. Two, you'll say, who's that silly person? And you laugh, and that helps with your anxiety. Now, know your audience. What type of audience do you have, or will you be speaking to? Is it going to be an audience of seniors? Is it going to be teenagers? Is it going to be men? Is it going to be women? What are their needs and desires? What keeps them up at night? Why are they here to listen to you? What do you have that you can offer them? Now remember, you don't want to give the same speech, or you have to remember that the speech you give to one group may not do for another group. If you're speaking to teenagers, how many here think they want to hear about Medicare? And if you're speaking to seniors, maybe they don't want to listen about the latest rock or rap music. So you want to gear your audience with what you have to say. Number 3, you look out amongst the audience and you get some people that look like they're asleep. Some people that are looking down, some people that are looking around, some people that are looking like they really have an interest in you. They are there to hear you. They are there for a reason. And your audience is on your side. They're coming here to get the information that you have. So your audience is not your enemy. Your audience is really your friend. They're rooting for you to come through and give them the information that you have. 4th technique. Know the room. Know the room. When you walk in, where's the light switch? What if you need that light switch to be turned off, part of the lights, or you want it dimmed? So know the light switch. Know the type of room you have, because the speech that you're giving, will it work? The speech I'm giving tonight, so the way the audience is set up, will it work with stadium seating, where chairs go up? will it work with, this is sort of a classroom seating, school, or tables and chairs, or like we do when we normally speak at our weekly meetings, is it a horseshoe shape? And will what you have to say fit with where you are in that type of venue? Now, where's the switch for that? If you're going to present, it's good to know where these things are. Now, is there a lectern? Do you need a lectern? Is there a microphone? Do you need a microphone? And is there a projector? You know, I was giving a speech to a major corporation a few months back, and there was two other speakers in front of me. They were also going to present. And I walked in there, or I called, first of all, to talk to the leader of this group from this corporation. I said, do you have a projector? Because I always bring mine with me. He said, no, we got one. Don't worry, we have one. I said, well, it's a big corporation, it's going to work, right? So we went in, and one speaker got up, everything was fine. Second speaker got up, also used the projector, it was fine. Third speaker, who was me, click, 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 click. The remote did not work. So the projector. And one of the people from the company said on the side to me, by the way, we've been having some trouble. So that shot that down. So if you can't use your projector, what are you going to do? What's your fallback position? Have a fallback position all the time. So know the room and know everything that's set up in it. Now, number 4, know your material. Know your material. Embrace it, engage the audience with it, and use empathy when you present your material. So know your material. Number 6. 5. Come on, number 5. 6.
8.
Well, we all know we can't count now.
I always have trouble with numbers. Being an engineer, I don't work with them too much anymore. Okay, we're on number 6. Number 7.
Number 8.
All right, we're just going to go next. Visualize yourself giving the speech. Not only practice, which is very important, giving it to here, giving it at home, giving it to different groups. Also imagine yourself giving the speech in your mind. What do sports figures do all the time? They imagine themselves shooting a basket, throwing a basketball, doing a triple turn, and coming down on their skateboard. Something that you can't necessarily do physically, but you can do it initially mentally. So how does that affect you here in this kind of venue? Well, you can imagine yourself getting up from where you're seated and walking confidently to the front of the room. And there, either at the lectern or in front of the room, imagine yourself giving the speech. Everything that you came to give. And you give the full speech. And then you walk backwards and you sit down amidst the applause. Okay? So imagine yourself giving your speech. Okay, what number are we on now? All right, we're going to go to number 9. We're going to go to number 9. Don't apologize if you forget where your numbers are. But don't apologize. And what can happen when you apologize? Well, you apologize for forgetting where you were. Well, if you don't know where you were, the audience doesn't know. They don't know what you're going to tell them. So keep on moving. And if you forget something, pause. Because if you pause, what happens?
It'll come back.
It may come back, it may not, or you can give it later, right? And if you pause, what do people think?
That's part of the speech.
That's part of the speech. They may say, wait a minute, I missed something. or they say something is coming, there's a pause there, right? So don't apologize, keep on moving. You might apologize if you show up an hour late. That might be an if come maybe, but don't apologize. And then let's just say one more thing. What's the tuition that you have to pay for being a public speaker? What is your tuition? Gaining experience. Gain experience. Do it at birthdays. Do it at anniversaries. Do it at eulogies, as you mentioned. Do it in front of your company, in front of your school. Do it for corporations. Wherever you can, practice it. Practicing 10 tips, ladies and gentlemen, will it make you an overnight success? Probably not. But what it will do is to help you get that butterfly zone more into line so that you can use it. You can use that nervous energy so that you get from your butterfly zone to your confidence zone. Mr. Toastmaster.